Hello everyone, my name is Pat. Today we're going to be discussing how to create a group. Step number 1, you first want to select all of your conditions. Step number 2, you want to move over to the Create Group button and select it. This is going to open up your Add Group dialog box. You notice that you have a code field, a description field, and a category field. You are limited to 12 characters inside of your code field. I typically recommend that people first fill out the description field and make the code an abbreviation of that description. Next, we can create a new category or utilize the drop-down arrow to put this group to an existing category. Since this is a single-ply group, I'm going to move down to the single-ply groups that has already been created, select that, and now hit save. This is now completed and you have now successfully created a new group.